Hello friends, this is your fit tuber Rahul with back with another video. आज का खास टॉपिक है चीट मील. Who doesn't want to have a cheat meal? Except those highly motivated guys जिन्होंने कल ही एक YouTube पे बढ़िया सा वीडियो देखा है और जिनको लग रहा है कि यो I will not have even a single cheat meal. I'll just follow my diet for rest of my life. और वो फिर एक हफ्ते के बाद कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट मॉकिंग दोज गाइज बट दैट्स वॉट मेजोरिटी ऑफ पीपल डू. सी चीट मील as the name goes, it is a cheat. But if you cheat your brain, not the meal, you won't get results. So you should be sure कि आप cheat meal करें, cheat mind नहीं. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द चीट मील. चीट मील एक हमारे डेली रूटीन का एक ऐसा टाइम पीरियड होता है जब हम अपने डेली रूटीन हेल्दी डाइट फूड को छोड़ के ऐसा फूड खाते हैं विच इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ आवर डाइट एंड विच इज़ नॉट समथिंग good or healthy considering our goals. So that's what cheat meal is about. But we need to make sure कि हम cheat meal में भी क्या खा रहे हैं so that our goals are not heavily hampered, and also we need to understand what the philosophy of cheat meal is. So let's start with how to follow the cheat meal. See, cheat meal में हमको ये ध्यान रखना है कि we are not doing cheat meal for over 1 or 2 days, because अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा करते हैं तो आपकी जो डाइट है वो चीट मील हो जाती है और आपकी जो चीट मील है वो आपकी डाइट हो जाती है एंड यू डोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स. सो सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर गाइज कि आप 1 या 2 दिन से, दो बहुत ज़्यादा है, आप एक दिन से ज़्यादा, एक दिन में एक मील से ज़्यादा चीटिंग ना करें. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फूड कि आप क्या फूड खाएं चीट मील में, तो if you talk in terms of macros, we have protein, carbs and fats. So obviously we are running on high protein on our daily diet. So जब हम चीट मील वाले दिन चीट मील खाएंगे तो we will somehow focus on carbs or fats. But eating too much of fat can incur a heavy loss on you guys. So आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप जिस दिन चीट मील खा रहे हैं, आप अपनी कैलोरी इनटेक बढ़ा रहे हैं, make sure you consume those calories through carbs. Means you consume those carbs which are little on complex side, not so much sugary foods, and you avoid to take heavy calories through fats, because if you go by math, the same amount of fat releases twice the energy as the energy released by the same amount of carbs. I think you people got it. So you make sure when you are eating heavily on a cheat day, you consume most part of your heavy calories through carbs, because you will still consume lesser calories considering the calories you will consume when you will take through fats. So number one, avoid oily foods, not just from the calorie point of view. Also, oily foods have cholesterol, and that is something which you don't require. Number two, avoid too much processed or fried foods, because they are really difficult for your digestive system to digest, and thus you feel really bloated throughout the day, and at the end of the day you don't feel that good, that energetic. So avoid heavily fried or highly processed foods, because in highly processed foods you have a lot of chemicals and preservatives, which is something not good for your health goals. I don't know, it's January going on and it's too much hot over here. और आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? Obviously, you should always avoid consuming alcohol even on cheat days, because alcohol is something which strongly affects your water system in your body. It makes you dehydrated, and considering the current COVID situation, you seriously don't want to consume alcohol and lower your immunity. So avoid alcohol as much as you can. I understand what's going on in back of your mind right now. You just wish I tell you certain foods, you want to lose your body fat, एंड यू विश कि मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे फूड्स बता दूँ आप वो उनको खा सके और आपका बॉडी फैट कम हो जाए. बट ऐसा नहीं है. एक कंसेप्ट है, एक पूरा लॉ है, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, जो आपको समझना पड़ेगा सो एज टू टेक अ राइट डिसीजन कि आप क्या खा सकते हैं क्या नहीं. अगर आप उसको समझना चाहते हैं तो मेरी एक बहुत बोरिंग सी वीडियो है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. but it will be much informative. It will give you sufficient amount of information कि आप क्या खा सकते हैं क्या नहीं, if you follow that principle. If you still want to know, on my cheat meal days I eat pizza. Obviously I eat cheesy pizza, but I make sure I do not consume too much amount of cheese. I keep it to the moderation. I like Amritsari kulcha, so I have that with either chole or dal. I love to have it. Obviously it is made of maida, which is not good for us, but at the end of the day I'm avoiding too much of fats and I'm shifting towards bread, which is giving me carbs. Let's talk something positive about cheat meal. See, the good thing about cheat meal is that cheat meal actually fills up your glycogen reserves really well, if you are, especially when you are on a cutting cycle. तो आपकी बॉडी में, आपकी मसल्स में अच्छे से आपके ग्लाइकोजन रिजर्व्स भरते हैं. तो जब आप एक गैप के बाद, जिस गैप में आपने चीट मील ली है, वर्कआउट करने जाते हैं, यू फील फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. एंड व्हेन योर मसल्स आर फुल ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन, यू गेट like super nice mind muscle connection, which I think is a very strong part of getting good results. सो जब आपके ग्लाइकोजन रिजर्व्स आपकी मसल्स में फिल्ड अप होते हैं, आप अपनी टारगेट मसल पे बहुत अच्छे से फोकस कर पाते हैं, एंड यू कैन मेक रियली गुड micro injuries in your muscles, which eventually helps in developing your muscles. So this is something positive about cheat meal, but you need to make sure your cheat meal is targeting those areas which are supporting in this direction. If you are drinking too much on a cheat meal day, if you are eating too much of fried foods, you should be very sure that next day when you go to gym, your muscles from the last day workout will not be recovered. You will not feel good, you will feel lack of energy. Too much of fat consumption will consume a lot of oxygen from your blood, and you will feel really lethargic in the gym, and forget about the mind muscle connection, because at that moment you can't even have the mind connection. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have some specific food questions about cheat meal, you can mention them in the comments, and I will give you my tathastu if you can have that or not. But believe me, until and unless you are doing total calorie count of your day, you won't get result. Until and unless you are just limiting your cheat meal to a single day for a single meal, you won't get results. So follow those concepts, and if you still have questions, I'll be happy to answer you. So this is it for this video. This is your FitTuber Rahul. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, good night, and I'm sweating too much.